Hello guys and welcome back. So in the last video we added a like button to our application. Now it's time to add the comments. Okay, we are working on the social features. Okay, let me go up here and then remove this unused import. So for the like, we are done. We are able to like any wallpaper. We can close that and save, close that as well. Okay, so we are able to like any wallpaper. Okay, if you log in with other accounts, you can also like. Now let's work on the comment. So for the comment also, let's go in the social here. First, let's start with the comment model. Okay, I'm gonna call this comment. Okay, and dot that. This is just going to be a class comment. Okay, comment like this. Okay, let's close it out and then let's just go through this. Okay, so first we want a comment ID, of course, and then we want to send the UID, the person, the sender of the comment. So this one I'm gonna put it as first. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna need the comment like that, and then we're gonna need the wallpaper ID, and then we're going to need the profile pic. Okay, so we can also send the profile pic of the person who has sent a comment and their name, so that we can easily display their name and comment. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that, but let's cut this and then put them up here. Okay, we want to send the person who has commented. We will also save their name and profile pic. You can also just save their UID and then all the time go to Firestore and then check from that UID and get the name and pic, but that's also just going to be another Firebase reads. Okay, so it's better if we just save this in the comment. Okay, and then we're gonna have comment ID, and then we're gonna have the comment itself, and then we're gonna have wallpaper ID, and then maybe let's also have a parent ID, so that if we have nested comments, if we want to create a feature of having the nested comment, we can create that. Okay, I'm gonna call it parent ID. Yeah, so this is going to be for nested comment. Okay, for nested comments, just in case if we want to put the feature like on that comment, someone wants to comment also on that comment, not on the main feature, we can use this. Okay, and then we're gonna have the created art, and then also let's have the likes. Okay, if we want to put likes on that comment. Okay, int, which is likes. Okay, we want to put the feature for the other users to like that comment. Okay, now let's create a constructor. Let's go ahead and do that. Required comment, wallpaper ID, parent ID, created that, likes, and then let's close that like that. Next we have to create the to map. Okay, to map, it's okay, it always wants to make the to JSON, but it's still the same thing. I'm only maintaining to map because I want just everything to be constant, not changing the methods. Okay, we're gonna have string dynamic, and then this is going to be to map like that. So here, instead of this, we want to use constants. Okay, I'm gonna change this to date time. Right, there is our to map, and then also just to change this also to date time. Okay, date time, time created. Now let's create it from map. Okay, it's going to be exactly that. So the profile pic is also going to come from constants to the profile pic, and then that, and then it's going to go ahead and create the rest of the and then also close that. And then yeah, so this is going to be our comment class. Now let's just create these constants in the constants class. Okay, so let's go in the constants, and then so first of all, let's start with the collection. Okay, so we have a comments collection already. So let's create that static string. This is going to be a comment. Then let's get a parent ID, and then the created art we need comment ID. Let's copy that and paste that. Now if we come here, everything else is done. All right, that's it for the comment model. We can go ahead and close and save. Let's save. Okay, we can also close the constants class. Now let's come back here on the social and then create a comments. I'm gonna call it comment repository .dat. Okay, now here I'm just gonna say class comment repository. Here first of all, let's get the collection reference. Okay, comments collection reference. It's gonna be collections reference like that, and then we're gonna import that. Then Firebase firestore dot instance dot collection. We're gonna import the constant class constants dot comments collection. Now we can also import the constants class. Okay, so we have the comments collection. Let's also have the wallpapers collection. Okay, wallpapers collection, which is going to be simply that. Now here, let's create the first method, which is going to be add comment. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it's going to be the future method which says add comment, but in this method we are going to pass wallpaper ID, we're going to pass the comment ID, and then we're going the comment itself, and then the UID, the name, and the peak. Okay, now let's put this as asynchronous and then create the method here. So first, what we're gonna get is to get the comment ID. We're going to create a comment ID. Okay, so comment ID, which is going to come from the UUID package. Okay, so here we can do this in two ways. We can just create the comment ID like this, or we can generate using the UUID package. Actually, this is actually a great idea to do it like this, just to use Firebase generated IDs. So okay, so maybe we can also go to the here to likes, and then okay, since the like ID we are not even the like ID we are making it combination of the wallpaper ID and the UID. We are not using any UUID package here. Okay, yeah, okay, here we are. Okay, let's go back to the comment. So we're not going to use the UUID package. We're just gonna generate the comment ID from here. Get this comment and then get the ID. So this ID is going to be always be unique. Okay, so once we get the comment ID, and then let's get the comment doc. Okay, comment document. Yeah, so yeah, it's not going to be that. Let's just create that, and then let's remove everything like this. Then here we're gonna say comments.document.comment ID. Okay, so this is going to be the comment document. We initialize it, and then let's get also the wallpaper document. Okay, wallpaper document is going to be the wallpaper document, which comes from this wallpaper ID. Okay, now after we do this, we're going to return a transaction. Okay, return a transaction. just like we're doing with the likes. Let's click tab, and then let's just close this first door. Okay, let's close that. So what are we missing? We're missing a bracket here. Okay, now inside here, first it says get a wallpaper document. Let's see here. We're gonna get a wallpaper document snapshot, which is going to come from transaction, and then wallpaper document here. Now next thing is just to cast this to the map and dynamic like we did before. Okay, let's see if okay, it's not doing it. Let's just do it again. Cast like what we're doing, yeah, like this, like what we're doing in the like button. Okay, we're gonna cast the wallpaper map, wallpaper, this wallpaper snapshot, and then data as map dynamic string like this. Okay, now after this we simply just gonna add a comment. Okay, yeah, add a comment. Now we're gonna do the transaction like that. So let's just, I can see that it's not completing the code, so I'm just gonna write it. Okay, transaction dot set. Okay, transaction dot set. Now we will need to set this inside here. It needs to be the comment document, and then here we need to get that comment which comes from our comment class. Comment, yeah, like this. Okay, now we can pass all of this data. Okay, so the name, did we not pass the name here? It's going to be this username. Okay, going to be the username, and then profile ID, comment ID, comment, and then wallpaper ID. So the parent ID is obviously going to be the same parent ID. So this one we need to pass it also just up here, but we're gonna pass it as an as a nullable. Okay, it's going to be the parent ID because this parent ID. Okay, so because this is going to be to come after this comment has already been done, now you are commenting on this comment, that's when we are going to pass the parent ID if you add this feature. Okay, so what we'll do is let's go back in the comment, and then this parent ID, let's add it as nullable. Okay, I mean, yeah, nullable like that. And then also the like, so this parent ID here, it's not going to be required. And then the like also, we can initialize this to 0. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we can go back here, and then we're going to pass the parent ID, and then let's see, the created date, of course, is going to be the date now, date time dot now. Okay, now on the likes here we can remove this. Okay, because the first comment we won't have likes, and then the likes by default is 0, so even if we don't put it, it's fine. Now here we need also not to forget to say to map. Okay, and then we just simply close that, and then we can put the comma there. So this is how we are going to add the comment. Now we are going to, after adding the comment, we need to increment the comment in the wallpaper, this number of comments. Okay, let the wallpaper document like that. Is going to call this update method, or I'm gonna remove it because it's not finishing. I'm gonna say transaction dot, yeah, update like this. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do what I did. So it's going to be a wallpaper document, and then here, instead of doing it like this, what I'll do is it's going to be the comment. Yes, I want to get in the comments there to increment the number. So let's remove all of these. Let me do like what I did in the like, put the brackets, and then another bracket, and then what I'll do is I'll get the wallpaper doc, wallpaper, I've named it wallpaper data map, and then like this, and then the comments, what I will do is this one I'm gonna say as int. Let me remove that as int, and then on this bracket here, now I'm gonna do this and then put 0, otherwise +1. Okay, like this. So why are we getting that? Let me put this as nullable, then also here put it here, just to be safe. Okay, so this is just going to be like that, because under comments here, and then under the field called comments, we are putting the counts. If we come, okay, there's no browser, let me open it up. Okay, so if we come here on the wallpaper, we can see under comments here, that's where we put the count here. Okay, so we want to go to that wallpaper document, and then under comments we update. This is just the same like we're doing in the likes. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be it like this. Let's see, let's also put this as nullable, and then now that error is gone. Okay, so this is now how we're going to set the comment. Now there is also obviously going to be the method to delete the comment. This is just adding the comment. Okay, now right after this, let's create another method called get the comments query, to get comments query. Okay, because we are going to use this to get the comments. Let's see here, let's trim. Okay, we're not gonna get it like that. Let's just say query, and then get comments. I'm gonna say get comments query like that, and then of course we are going to pass the wallpaper ID. So first of all, let's close this, and then let's remove what's inside here so that we can code properly here. Now here, first of all, we're simply just going to return the comments. This method just gets the comment of this wallpaper ID. So it's going to be the comments collection dot where wallpaper ID is equals to this wallpaper ID, and then we're going to sort by created that, and then let's say descending to true. That is going to be it. Okay, now let's create the method to what's this, to stream the list of comment. Okay, stream comments list, which returns a list of comments. Yeah, just exactly like that. Let's click tab, and then let's close it out. Looks like we are missing a lot of brackets here. Let's put the bracket and then close again here, and then close here. Okay, everything is set. Just always be careful, guys. Okay, always be careful with these brackets. Now I'm just gonna go through this method. So it says return comments query. So yeah, it's obviously going to return this query, because what we want is the comments for this wallpaper ID. Okay, now after that, we are going to get those snapshots, and then we're going to put them to the list of comments. Yeah, this looks about right. Okay, now also let's create the method maybe up here to delete the comment. Okay, delete comment. So this obviously it should just do this really quickly. I don't need to do anything. So first is going to get the comments collection dot comment ID. So now we need to come back here. I just wanna yeah, we just simply need to delete. After we get the comment ID here, we just simply need to delete, and then that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, because in this video we have created the comment model and then the comment repository. In the next video, we have to, when we click here, we want to bring the comments bottom sheet here so that you can see the current comments, and then you can also comment. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.